Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Adhyan with Flow. So let's start with our next class, AVs. We already completed what guys? Look at here. We already complete reptilia and we already complete amphibian. This is the part of tetrapod. I show you the flow chart guys. We already done this thing, we already done this thing, we already done this thing and this thing. Now let's complete with aves and mammals. Okay, let's start with aves. Guys, special feature of aves is what? They have feathers. Means they have fore wing and hind wing. Means they work as a what? Forelimb and they work as a hind limb. Means they work as a hand and hand is turned into wings and they work as a legs. Guys, they have wings but they also have hind limbs. Okay, they have legs. Okay, look at here, and their forelimbs is changed into their wings. They have hind limb and their forelimb is changed into the wings. Look at here, but the hind limb also have. Okay, wings, they work as a forelimb and their leg is work as a hind limb. Okay, one by one let's discuss their feature. They have feathers or not? Yes guys, there is not a casual feathers. They are resistance for water. Yeah, they can easily dry. Okay, they can easily dry. Okay, all maximum aves have what? Feathers, except ostrich. They can't fly. They have wings but they can't fly. They possess beak. Guys, all aves have different kind of beak size. Okay, according to their seed habitat, beak size differ according to seed size. Seed size means their food size. Okay, some birds feed on little bit small size seed. Some are dependent and eat what? Long size seed. Okay guys, the hind limbs generally have scales. Guys, these hind limbs, they have scales. Their forelimbs means their wings does not have any kind of scales. Okay, scales and are modified for walking, swimming and clasping of tree branches. Guys, their skin is dry without gland except the oily gland at the base of the tail. Alright, their oily gland at the base of the tail. Endoskeleton is full of the bony, hollow structure. Guys, their bone will hollow, so they can easily fly. The weight is less, so they can fly easily. They have what? Air cavity. The digestive tract of birds has additional chamber, the crop and side. Guys, something is different. Guys, birds na, they fly. Okay, we know they fly. If they become heavy, they can't fly. But if they take light food, so they can easily fly. So guys, na, when bird will fly, okay, and stay somewhere and eat something, and they eat, after eating they again fly, then again feed something, then fly, then feed, then fly after feeding and then feed. So they take food at a particular intervals, so their body can't become heavy. Heart is 4 chamber, now they are advanced. And the guys, homothermos, guys, they can regulate their temperature. They can manage their inner body temperature according to whatever the environment. They can regulate. Okay, we also regulate. Respiration is by respiration by lungs. Air sac connected to lungs supplement respiration. Guys, air sacs, large size air sacs is also connected, also present. They are supplement. They work as a helper to lungs. Sexes are separated. Fertilization is internal, but they are oviparous. Guys, if a female bird become pregnant, how they can fly? So they can release their egg. So they release their egg, and development is direct means they give birth as a child. Now guys, you assume like aves, like sparrow, parrots, okay, pigeon, ostrich, peacock, they all are which can fly. Vultures, they all can fly, who take it as a aves, but not bats. Guys, they are mammals. Mammary gland, because of mammary glands. Okay, so what you done? Now you done what? Aves. Now make a heading of aves, make a 10 to 15 properties of aves, make a diagram, pick one of the easiest diagram and make a diagram and make an example, and your examiner will give you full after full marks. Now let's discuss the last part of this chapter is class of mammalia. V. Guys, assume yourself. Now assume yourself. Do you regulate your temperature? Yes. You can live where? Polar you can stay, you can live. This is the earth. You can live here. This is the polar side. Too much ice. Human being can also live here. At a desert side, they also live here. At a mountain side, they also live. Any kind of tropic level, human can live, mammal can live. They can live in a polar side, they can live in desert, they can live in mountain, forest, grassland, dark caves. They can live whatever variety of habitat. Some of them adapt to fly like bats or live in water like whale. Most diversity of in mammals. Next is the most unique mammalian character is the presence of milk productory, means they have mammary glands. They all have what? Guys, include us, okay? Include human being, okay? Include human also. We have mammary glands. In females, they become in large in size after delivery, okay? By which the young ones are nourished. Guys, they release milk now, so baby can feed milk. They have two pairs of limb. One pair is forelimb, one pair is hind limb. We call it as a hands and legs. Adapt for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, flying. Okay, these four limbs are useful. Four limbs and hind limbs useful for what? Walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, flying. The skin of mammals is unique for process hair. Guys, we have hairs on our whole body, complete body, top to bottom. We have hairs, but throughout the evolution, our body hairs will degenerate, reduce. But maximum hair is where at our head side, our personal private organ, okay? They contain large size of hair. Otherwise guys, at a chest part, at a back side, hands and legs, there is a reduction of hairs throughout the evolution. External ear, we have well developed, what kind of system we have developed? Well developed alimentary canal, digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system. Please explain one by one. Respiration by whom? Lungs. We have respiratory system. Give 1 to 5 points of respiratory system. Excretory system like kidney na guys. So explain 1 to 5 point about kidney, ureters, urinary bladder. Circulatory system, write down some most important parts of heart, like we have 4 chamber heart, 2 atrium and 2 ventricle. They pump blood, and we have arteries, we have veins. You can elaborate. Alimentary canal, you can explain top to bottom, mouth to anus. Explain one by one thing. You have to explain, guys. Your NCERT is not repeating same thing is again and again. You explain these things. Write down elementary 1 to 5 points. Write down about respiratory system around 1 to 5 points. Write down excretory system about 1 to 5 points. Write down about circulatory system 1 to 5 points, and write down about your nervous system 1 to 5 points. You have brain, what kind of brain you have backbone, notochord, now point. Okay guys, assume na fertilization. Assume our fertilization, how baby will birth. They take time na, they take 9 months, many kind, like elephant take many times, okay? Mice take any months, some months, okay? So according to variety of mammals, they take multiple times according to their nature for baby carrying, okay? Some are oviparous or some are viviparous, guys. Like oviparous is one of the what? Platypus. Viviparous, now all are viviparous. Now these are the example of viviparous. Now guys, this is for you guys, this is for you. Some features they write down very beautiful. Here they write down one by one phylum. They write down one by one phylum name, like Porifera, Synthetas, Syntophora, Platyhelminthes, Escalanthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca. And here the level of organization, cellular, tissue, and now next all are the organ. Now symmetry is various. After Platyhelminthes, all carry what? Bilateral. Guys, coelom absent, but after Platyhelminthes, all have what? Coelom. So these are important for you guys. You can make a chart for this, okay? You can memorize by this chart. They are helpful for revision, okay na? So guys, thank you for listening me. Keep smiling and revise, and thank you for watching my video, and keep supporting me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share. Thank you so much.